Today we will discuss about how to take screenshot in Playwright Java framework. This is our program. This is our class program 01, and inside this class we are having this method public static void screenshot method, and we have taken main method here public static void main. So this is our main method, and we are calling our static method screenshot method inside this main method. Okay. Now let's understand screenshot method. So first of all, I have written code to set up everything related to Playwright. So Playwright is equal to playwright dot create. Then browser is equal to playwright dot chromium dot launch new browser type dot launch options dot set headless false. Then browser context is equal to browser dot new context page is equal to browser context dot new page. So this is the setup that we need every time to open the browser and to open the Playwright basically, and whatever browser type that we want to open, like Chromium. Here currently we are using Chromium. We can also use Firefox, WebKit and other browsers here. Okay, currently we are using Chromium here, so it will open the Chromium browser. Now after that we are using this page.navigate method to open our application URL. So currently I am using ring.com, so which is application e-commerce application. So after opening the application, we will take the screenshot of the home page. Okay, so for that we have code in Playwright is playwright dot screenshot, and inside that we have parameter as new page dot screenshot options dot set path. Then paths dot get. Here we have to pass the folder name that we have created in our project, like screenshot folder I have created. This is the screenshot folder I have created inside this our project. And so we have to give the folder name here directly. So I have given name screenshot slash image1.png. So basically this will take the normal screenshot of the browser. And we have other method like set full page screenshot is as true. So it will take a complete page screenshot, but currently we will take just the only visible area. We will take the screenshot of that visible area only. So the code for that will be this one, page dot screenshot new page dot screenshot options dot set path, and we will provide the path. So you have to keep this in mind, this code. Then we will simply close uh, the page dot close browser context dot close browser dot close playwright dot close. So we will close the browser and everything. So currently we don't have anything inside our screenshot folder. It is empty. Let me refresh this. So yeah, there is nothing inside the screenshot folder. Now we will execute our code and let's check what happens. We should get image one and the home page screenshot of the ring.com. I have executed it. It has opened a ring.com and it took screenshot. Now let's go to our project. Let me refresh the project. Yes, we got image one. Let double click on it. Yes, this is our homepage of ring.com. So this is how we can take the screenshot in Playwright using Java language. So the code is simple. Page.screenshot method, and we have to pass this parameter page.screenshot option dot set path, and we have to create folder, and then we can give the image name whatever the picture, different name we can give. And to take the full page screenshot, let me uncomment this and comment the first one. And now the code is same, just we have added set full page as a true, so it will take the full page screenshot. Now let me execute again, and it should now take the full page screenshot. I have executed the code. Let's, yeah, it has opened the Chrome ring.com, and yes, it took full page screenshot. Okay, go to our project. Let me refresh the project. We got image 2, and image 2 is the full page screenshot. So this is our full home page of ring.com. Yeah, this is how we can take two different screenshots for the like web pages using Playwright Java. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.